Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a gigantic, well not giant, but kind of a large Dollar Zone haul. That's right, Dollar Zone. Better than Dollar Tree. And I got a whole bunch of good stuff, guys. So let's get started with Dollar Zone. The very first thing is I picked up these little containers. They have the same thing similar to Dollar Tree. So I got the one with the little blue lids this time, because I'm going to be making some home remedy type of like ointments and different type of different things I'm going to make. So I need like little containers to store the product in. So that's what I got that for. So I got that. Then at Dollar Zone, I found these crunchy wafers. It says milk flavored creamy wafer biscuits. And you know those, oh my God, I keep dropping stuff today. You know these type of cookies. You've seen them before in all different flavors. They even have an orange flavor. But I decided to pick up this milk one. And this is what Kit Kats are made of too. They like these wafer cookies and it's covered in chocolate. So yeah, this is the milk flavored crunchy wafer cookie. So I got that. Then at Dollar Zone, I picked up this Italian herb crackers. And this is an Italian brand. I've seen this in the grocery stores before. So this is an Italian herb crackers. And this is good with soups and just a snack on with cut up cheese and salami, whatever you want to do. Then here I got another flavored crunchy wafers. This is the strawberry flavor creamy wafer cookies. So this is strawberry. I picked up some basic sponges again. These kind with the little scrubby things. I use them for dishes and wiping down, you know, woodwork and different things like that. Just different household stuff, especially dishes, stuff like that. Then I picked up this big white container. Well, it's a clear container with the white lid. They have them in different colors. I decided to pick up just the big white simple one so I could store my stevia in here, or my coconut flour, or my sugars, or whatever I feel like putting in here. That's what I got this for. And it's easy to wash. You could screw it on, screw it off. So yeah, I got that. Then I picked up these crackers. This is the cheese flavored crackers. And it's the same brand as the Italian herb. Then I found these kits over there. These are $1.50. And this is the big one, Old El Paso. And it's called World Taco Kit. So this is a Korean inspired barbecue. And it comes with the medium sesame chili sauce. You get the mild Korean barbecue seasoning mix. And then you got the tortillas. And you just add your own spin. You can put your own veggies, your own meat, whatever you want to do. So I decided to give that a try. Then I got this world one. This is a Japanese inspired teriyaki. And then you get it says medium honey soy sauce. And then you get the mild teriyaki seasoning mix. And then you get the 10 tortillas. It's funny how they try to mix certain things in with Mexican. But it's still good. So I want to give that one a try and see what that tastes like. I picked up some Mist-O-Lean. These are disinfected cleaners. And you can also use them as your rinse in your clothes. This is the pine one. I love this one. So I picked that up. I picked up some fabric softener. And that's the little tiny blue one. Then I picked up a whole bunch of dish soaps again, even though I have like 80 bottles. I picked up another Brillo. I love these. This is the purple one. I also picked up the lemon one, the yellow one. Lemon. I picked up the green one, which is green apple, of course. Smells so good. And I picked up the orange one. And this one smells straight up like oranges. Love that. I picked up another Mist-O-Lean. This is another pine one. I picked up a whole bunch of these. I think I picked up 3 or 4 of these. I would have bought more, but I didn't. This is a knockoff of Noxzema. This is the skin cream. It does the same exact thing, has the same exact ingredients. Leaves your face very fresh and clean. So I got a whole bunch of those. I found real name brand, guys. Name brand. This is like a small medium, big heavy bottle. Name brand of Head and Shoulders. So I believed I picked up 4 or something like that. This is the moisture care with the coconut. So I got these for my son because he loves the Head and Shoulders. And plus it'll moisturize his hair and scalp. I picked up this jar right here. It was the Age Defying Skin Cream. It's just a basic facial cheap moisturizer. That's all it is. Nothing, you know, nothing too crazy. Then I got another coconut Head and Shoulders. Got me some Avon. This is Avon. Roll-on deodorant. This is the Feeling Fresh. Love the scent of that. I got another one of the knockoffs of the Noxzema. I got this big bottle right here of the Soft and Whisper. And this is the Rose Petal and Dew Pink Salt Moisturizing Body Wash is the big one. So I got that. And everything at Dollar Zone is $1. Got this real big skin toner with aloe. Alcohol free. So that's a big gigantic skin toner. Some things very rarely, but some things are $1.50 or $2, but it's very rare. And they only have like maybe 5 or 10 items like that in the whole store. Everything is $1. So I got another knockoff of the Noxzema again. Then I got this one. This is the Anti-Wrinkled Skin Cream. So it's just a basic face lotion. That's all it is. And then, whoops, I got a big 2-liter of the strawberry lemonade. Got a big 2-liter of strawberry lemonade. I don't drink that stuff. I gave it for my son if he wanted it. Then I got another dish soap. This is a different one. It's a 6 in 1. I think it says, no, 5 in 1. It's a blue one. So got that. Then I got a bunch of these little pans. You get 4 of them in here. 4. So instead of paying $1 each at Dollar Tree, you get 4 for $1. Then I got this cute little planter. It's a white little pot, and then you get these pretty flowers mixed in with these white pretty daisies and these pink flowers. It's a nice big one. This one they have in the front. This one was $2 for that. Then these were $1 there also. Suddenly Salad. They were $1 from the Betty Crocker. This is the Chipotle Ranch. I used this in the past. It has black beans in it, and it tastes like Chipotle. It's like a ranch pasta salad. And you can add your own meat and your own vegetables, whatever you feel like putting in there. So I got 2 boxes of those. I got some more insect and mouse traps. This ain't just for rodents or mouse, mice. These are good for catching ants and little spiders or whatever. And I've been getting ants a lot lately. I noticed I've been getting the ants because the weather is getting warmer. So I definitely grabbed these for right now. This is especially good to put in your pantry because of, like me, I have years and years and years full of food. So I have to keep on top of everything and checking everything. And, you don't want ants to go up in there. And you don't want, little mice or anything like that. So that's why I get those. And then I picked up another big Soft and Whisper body wash. This is the Mystical Wonderland, I think it's called. And then I picked up another dish soap. This is the pink one. It's just a cheap one. It's like a floral. It's called Ultra. This one's okay. I used it before. It's all right. I picked up another Head and Shoulders. More of the coconut for my son. I got this Silk. I have the bar soaps like these too. They're really good. This is a name brand. It's from, I believe, Arabia or India. It's called Silk. And this is were pearls. And it's a white one. So they're really good hand soaps and soaps. Then I picked up the 2 bar of this soap here. This is a laundry soap. You can wash your hand washables, and then you can also use this for like cleaning this like stains out first and then throw them in the washing machine. So I like this. This smells really good. This is from Mexico. Seen them in Mexico before. Used them in Mexico. They're really good. So 2 for $1. Not bad at all. You get a 2-pack. Then I got another body wash. This one, Soft and Whisper. This one here is Citrus Sage. Citrus Sage. So I got that one. And the last 2 things I did pick up was a big thing of Coca-Cola, a 2-liter. And then, sorry guys, make a mess. I have a whole mess right here, guys. Stuff is everywhere. And then, and then I picked up one of these Sips green tea juice. This is a half a gallon. So I got the green tea juice. This one was $1.50 over there, $1.50. So that's all I picked up at the Dollar Zone, guys. So let me put all the stuff away, and I will talk to you guys later. Have a good day, and let me know if you ever tried a Dollar Zone or if you ever found any good stuff. And if you did, let me know your channel down below in a comment, and I will check you out. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Have a good day, guys. Bye.